Agentic intelligence, agentic agents give us the ability to build agents, or kind of in the vein of what we know today as chatbots, in a sense, that can plan, can execute against various operations and adapt. So what are they doing? And they just have interactions with our human counterparts to ensure that we have the right results and we can deliver them to the right sources. Again, you can see over 65% of organizations are using and deriving business value from GenAI, which is a significant shift. GenAI has really come onto the scene. There have been, over the last 3 years, just this rapid adoption curve that we've seen with AI, the fastest adopted tool that we've seen in human history. And organizations are getting value out of it today, not hoping to get value out of it, but getting value out of it today. Additionally, 82% of organizations are planning to integrate AI agents within the next 1 to 3 years. So there is a mass push from leadership, from organizations, to ensure that they are not missing these opportunities. And then from last year, because 2025 isn't quite wrapped up, 78% of organizations are using AI, which is up from 55% in 2023. Again, kind of bolting us back to that adoption curve, this rapid acknowledgement of the capabilities of AI and pulling it into their existing processes, and driving awareness amongst their within their organization. We have our chatbots everywhere, right? But this isn't quite what we mean by when we talk about kind of our agentic framework. When we talk about these automated agents of tomorrow, it's kind of a few key things to remember about them. Is that they will have a measure of autonomy in making and driving decisions with the data, with the processes, with the available tools that they have. They have all the tools that your human counterparts use, these digital tools and assets that they can use to drive their execution. And this is really critical for businesses because it will constantly deliver incremental value with each use. Okay, so very important as part of this evaluation process, this ability to continue to grow and get better over time. Think of them as a team of employees essentially that you would have, and they would have to interact with each other and collaborate in order to produce an outcome. We're seeing the same thing happen, and that's what we're developing from an agentic standpoint. And then when you think about that last bullet, going back to the evaluation on the bottom left, this is where we start to derive that unique, innovative value from these agents, is creating and identifying new processes, things that maybe we hadn't considered, because now we've improved our performance, we've improved our resourcing, and now we can use and leverage those resources, that time, the ROI saved, to identify and create new processes for the business that add additional value.